Hello everyone, welcome to another Monday.com tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to set up content calendar in Monday.com. Now this is going to be a really easy tutorial, so let's get started. So first of all, go to your workspace and then click add, and here you can choose from templates. Now once you choose from templates, what you will have to do is you will have to search for content like this, and then here you will have a lot of different things. You will have social media planner and content calendar as well. Also content planning right here. So both of these are good. All these three are good, but what I would suggest using this one if you want a more Trello look, and using this one if you want a more extensive look, and you can also use this one. So basically you can pick and choose. Now for this example, I will go and I will just click on this one. As you can see here, you can also review what this content calendar has, right? And everything that is in there. So click use template here. You can also go here and click and make it into your main workspace. Here we'll have to wait just a little bit until the content calendar is set up in Monday.com, as you can see. And right now we have content calendar right here, as you can see. And also we have main table right here. Main table is where all of our basically content goes. So let me show you how. So okay, let's see the date. So the date is July 2024. We actually want this to be 2023, and let's make it January 28th. So let's click on it, and we can just click on it and then go to calendar here. And as you can see, the calendar is from 28th to all the way to 30th of January, right? So as you can see, we can see here 3 days, right? Now we can also put 28 to 20 or just 28. We can put just 28, right? And then we can put here just 27, right? So let's set a date 27 right here. And if we go to calendar, we can see that we have here content basically scheduled, right? And we can obviously add a campaign here and add a new timeline, right? Anything right here. You can also change these labels to YouTube, TikTok, you know, or any other social media platform. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's really simple, self-explanatory, right? If you have any questions or maybe comments, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.